Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we'll be doing an unboxing of the SILKSILKY natural fiber and hyperallergenic items. Now this is my package. I'm just giving you a little ASMR and then we're gonna open her up. All right, so when you open the package, there is a little card. It says guaranteed. Focus on your silky lifestyle. Sleep with us, tell your friend. SILKSILKY has created for you a prestigious silk sleepwear, 100% mulberry silk, special textile techniques giving the silk fabric a glossy and smooth tactile, which is true. And then I see this cute little card that says, thy sunshine smiles upon the winter days of my heart, never doubting of its spring flowers, which I think is so cute. So the first item in my box is a scarf. Now I typically don't wear a scarf, but I love them. Like, I think I can always throw this on my purse, or depends on an outfit. I do have a yellow skirt that I think the scarf would match. I'm just gonna throw it on my head whenever I wear that as a complete outfit out. And I really like, you know, the feel of the fabric. It is so nice. I really do think that they really did, you know, add special smoothing techniques to make the silk feel so glossy and smooth. Next we have eye mask or eye patch, a mask. I don't know, I don't wear these things. I've never used one before either, but yeah, this is what I'm going to show you next. I'm gonna try it. You know, I've never used one before and I'm just kind of curious as to how they work, or if they actually help you to sleep better, because currently sometimes in the morning the sun does come inside and wakes me up a little early, and I don't like that. So I'm gonna give it a try. It does have an adjustable strap, which is awesome, so you can use it to adjust it to fit your head to the perfect size, which I think is just great and genius of them for thinking of that, you know, for their customers. I will leave the description for all of these in the description box below, so if you are interested you can definitely check it out. Then we have a hair tie. This is a color that I chose. I love hair ties. I think they're great to have. You can never have too much of them, so thank you for, you know, this, and I'm really definitely going to be using this one. And lastly, I got a silk pillowcase. I've actually never slept on a silk pillowcase, so I'm actually curious as to trying this out. I have heard, I should say, that by sleeping on a silk pillowcase it does prevent your hair from drying out, which is awesome. All right guys, so this is everything that came in my box. I'm going to show you guys like a little display of everything laid out, just to give you like an overview of everything that I got, so you can see it for yourself. And again, if you are interested, everything will be linked down below in my description box, as well as there will also be a link to SILKSILKY's website. And I have a discount code for you guys if you are interested in getting anything from SILKSILKY's website, which is Jordan. So you get 15% off once you enter the code Jordan at checkout, and that's just awesome, guys. 15% off is a good change, and you know, just check it out. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Till I see you in another video. Bye.